In today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the new Massive Loop website. I've noticed that some users are finding it challenging to navigate and locate specific features, so I thought it would be incredibly beneficial to create a comprehensive guide. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Login page. Upon arriving at the Massive Loop website, you're immediately greeted with a login page that serves as the central hub for various information. You can either log in to proceed to the Massive Loop server homepage or explore the resources available through the menus at the top right of the page. In the Create drop-down menu, there's a wealth of information for developers, including SDK tutorial videos, programming references, and a link to get SDK help on the Massive Loop Discord server. For those interested in monetization, the Earn button provides insights into how to make money from your Massive Loop creations. Additionally, the About drop-down menu offers a deeper understanding of Massive Loop, opportunities to join the Discord channel, access to the press kit, or ways to contact someone from human mode. For more specific queries, the search bar is a handy tool, allowing you to look up servers, worlds, users, packages, and more. User profile. Every page on the Massive Loop website features your profile icon at the top right corner. Clicking on this icon opens up options to configure your profile, manage your servers, and log out. Just below your profile icon, you'll see your current balance of Massive Loop credits. Exploring your user profile is simple. Click on your profile image at the top right, then select User Profile here. You'll find several tabs offering different functionalities. The Account tab lets you customize your profile by changing your banner and profile image, view your page as others see it, alter your display name, check your public URLs, account level, and credit balance. You can also access your wallet from here. The Bio tab lets you personalize your profile with a caption, relationship status, sexual preference, and decide whether to display your age. You can indicate if you're interested in making new friends, write a short description about yourself, and add links to your social media or websites. The Wallet tab lets you manage your credits by checking your balance, purchasing or scheduling credit purchases, handling subscriptions, and reviewing your transaction history. The MLCN Wallet tab lets you redeem your credits for real money. You can also set up your MLCN account, view credit redemptions, connect to the Stripe dashboard, and track your credit redemption history. The Security tab lets you update your password and email address, review your age and content restriction levels, set privacy preferences for your followers, online status, and messaging. The SDK Uploads tab displays details of your uploaded worlds, avatars, and packages, including names, status, server, file size, favorites, and visit counts. The Support tab lets you check the status of your support tickets. And lastly, the Tip Buttons tab lets you set up tip buttons for your profile, configure the tip amount, and customize a thank you message. You can also opt to display your Patreon contributions. For server management, click on your profile image and select My Sites/Servers. From this page, you can create a new server, renew an active server subscription, or delete a server. This comprehensive setup ensures that users have full control and customization of their Massive Loop experience. Server homepage. After logging in, you're taken to the Massive Loop server homepage. The homepage layout for a user's server mirrors the main server homepage, offering a seamless and intuitive experience. On the homepage, users can navigate to various aspects of their server. This includes server configurations, world creations, and package creations. The interface is designed to facilitate easy access to all these features, making it straightforward for users to manage and expand their server's capabilities. For those interested in supporting the server, there's a convenient option to become a Patreon, located at the top right of the page. Additionally, users can share the server on other social media platforms or with friends, increasing the server's visibility and community engagement. Server owners have additional control and customization options. By clicking the drop-down menu on the right side of the banner, they can configure cloud variable accounts, set member roles and privileges, and manage the server's overall settings. This allows for detailed and specific control over how the server operates and who has access to what. Furthermore, there are options to report the server or leave the server, ensuring that users have the ability to address any concerns or discontinue their participation if they choose. This structure ensures a user-friendly, customizable, and safe environment for both server owners and participants, making Massive Loop a versatile and engaging platform. Navigating the Massive Loop website, you'll find 5 key menus at the top left. Contact menu. This menu is your social gateway. Here, you can connect with friends, see who's online, manage muted or blocked friends, review recent interactions, and even find new people to connect with. Inbox menu. Your communication hub. It houses direct messages, friend requests, both received and sent, server invites, and server requests sent. Store menu. For those looking to enhance their experience with new worlds, avatars, or packages, the store menu is the place to explore. Events menu. Stay updated with upcoming events. This menu is essential for keeping track of what's happening in the Massive Loop community. Download menu. Here, you can download the latest Massive Loop browser and the most recent version of the SDK, ensuring you're always up to date. Adjacent to these menus is a dynamic panel that changes based on the selected tab. When the Home tab is active, this panel displays members currently online in the selected server, indicating whether they are on the web or inside a Massive Loop world. Above this panel, the server selection icon allows you to browse and select from available servers or search for specific ones. Each server homepage features 6 main tabs: Home, Worlds, Avatars, Events, Members, and Packages. The Home tab offers an overview of the server, including content count, worlds, avatars, packages, events, traffic statistics, membership details, and contribution records. You can also access the server description, launch the home world, check events, and view popular destinations. The Worlds tab displays the server's worlds. You can also create new worlds if you have the necessary permissions and explore the dynamic panel for active worlds, favorites, personal worlds, and purchase tickets. The Avatars tab shows available avatars in the server. The dynamic panel reflects the total number of avatars, favorites, personal creations, and purchased avatars. The Events tab features a calendar for upcoming events. You can create events if permitted and use the dynamic panel to manage your event interests and creations. The Members tab lists all server members. Server owners can manage members and their roles from here. Use the dynamic panel for filtering members, all online, offline / not visible, and for specific member searches. And lastly, the Packages tab is dedicated to server packages. You can create new packages with the right permissions and use the dynamic panel to view available, favorite, personal, and purchased packages. This comprehensive structure ensures that users can easily manage and enjoy their Massive Loop experience, whether they're connecting with friends, exploring new worlds, or hosting events. Server configurations. To configure a server on Massive Loop, click on the drop-down menu beside your server banner and select Configure Server. This leads you to the server configuration page, comprising 8 distinct tabs, each catering to different aspects of server management. Server tab. This is where you can personalize the server's appearance and settings. Change your server banner and profile image. View how others see your server. Rename the server. Adjust publishing status. Add a video trailer. Set join permissions, age restrictions, home world, and default server avatar. Details tab. Use this tab to refine your server's identity. You can rename the server, add a concise description, and include external links for additional information or related content. Server Groups tab. Here, You can create groups within your server and assign custom roles, offering a structured hierarchy and organization. Chat/Channels tab. This section allows you to establish chat channels for server members, facilitating communication and community building. Creator Settings tab. Configure the default creator level for new members. Decide whether to put worlds, avatars, packages into in progress mode upon updates. Set the default number of worlds, avatars, packages for new creators, and the default number of community events for members. Tip Button tab. Customize tip buttons for your server, including the donation amount and a personalized thank you message. You also have the option to display the total tips received on the server page. Cloud Variables tab. Create and manage cloud variable accounts here, enabling functionalities like leaderboards and persistent worlds that enhance the user experience. API Endpoints tab. This tab is for integrating external API endpoints, making them accessible within your server's worlds, thus expanding the capabilities and interactions possible within your server. Each tab on the server configuration page is designed to offer comprehensive control over various server aspects, allowing server owners to tailor their servers to specific needs and preferences, enhancing the overall experience for both the owner and the server community. Member Roles and Privileges. To manage the roles and privileges of server members on Massive Loop, start from your server's homepage. Look for the drop-down menu next to your server's banner and select Member Roles and Privileges. This section is essential for customizing user access and responsibilities within your server. Once you're in Member Roles and Privileges section, you'll see a list of all users who are members of your server. Here's what you can do. Configure roles. Select any user from the list and adjust their server roles. You have the flexibility to assign them as a server member, creator, or moderator, each with different levels of access and control. Allocate creation limits. For each user, you can determine how many worlds, avatars, packages, and events they are permitted to create. This helps maintain a balanced and manageable environment within your server. Group assignment. If you have created specific groups in the server configuration settings, you can assign users to these groups. This can be used to organize members into teams or categories based on their role or interest. Chat restrictions. You have the option to block certain users from participating in the server chat. This feature is useful for maintaining a constructive and respectful conversation environment. And lastly, admin notes. Add notes to a user's profile that are only visible to server admins. This can be used to keep track of important information about the user's behavior, contributions, or any specific observations relevant to their role in the server. This level of customization in roles and privileges allows for a finely tuned management of your server, ensuring that each member contributes positively and in line with the server's goals and community standards. It's an effective way to maintain order, encourage creativity, and ensure a pleasant experience for all members. World, avatar, and package creations. To create a world, avatar, or package in Massive Loop, begin by heading to your server's homepage. This is where you can initiate the creation process for any of these elements. Depending on what you want to create, whether a world, an avatar, or a package, click on the respective tab on the server homepage. Each tab is dedicated to a specific type of creation. After selecting the desired tab, look for a yellow Create button, usually positioned on the right side of the interface. Click this button to start the creation process for a new world, avatar, or package. You'll be prompted to enter essential information about your creation. This includes giving it a name and selecting a category that best describes or fits your creation. These details are important as they help categorize and define your creation within the Massive Loop universe. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the yellow Create button again. This action finalizes the creation process and adds your new world, avatar, or package to the server. The process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, encouraging users to contribute their unique creations to the server. Whether it's crafting an immersive world, designing a distinctive avatar, or assembling a useful package, these steps ensure that your creative vision becomes a part of the Massive Loop experience. World, avatar, and package configuration. After creating a world, avatar, or package in Massive Loop. You can fine-tune each creation by navigating to their respective tabs on the server homepage. The configuration process is intuitive and follows a similar pattern across worlds, avatars, and packages, with some minor variations. Go to the relevant tab, World, Avatar, or Package, on the server homepage. Within the dynamic panel, you'll find a link to access your creation. Click on this link and select the creation you wish to configure. Click the drop-down arrow next to your selected creation and choose Update. This action takes you to the configuration page, which typically includes 3 tabs: World, Publishing, and Sell/Restrict Access. World tab. For a world, this tab allows you to modify the world status, upload a thumbnail, add a video trailer, set the maximum number of visitors per instance, rename the world, choose a category, write a description, and assign a cloud variable account. For avatars and packages, the options will be similar, adjusted to suit their specific nature. Publishing tab. Set the server status of your creation, verify if all publishing conditions have been met, and mark the creation as in progress if it's not yet complete. The Sell/Restrict Access tab. Set a price for your creation and decide where to list it, either on your server or on the main Massive Loop store. Optionally, set an expiration date for the listing and assign your creation to specific groups if desired. These tabs and options are designed to give you comprehensive control over your creations, whether they are worlds, avatars, or packages. This level of customization ensures that your contributions to Massive Loop are exactly as you envision them, providing a personalized experience for both creators and users within the platform. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you at the next one.